Well, balik tayo dun sa kung ano nga ba yung katungkulan ng mga senator judges, no? By the fact na tinatawag nila yung sarili nila as judges, ang ibig sabihin nito, ang katungkulan nila ay manood, obserbahan yung paglatag ng ebidensya ng bawat panig at evaluate yung mga ebidensya and then make a decision based dun sa sa kanilang evaluation and analysis, whether conviction or acquittal. That's their duty. Now, ang behavior dapat nila ay parang judge, which means hindi dapat sila nagsasalita. Right? Ang rule of thumb dapat ng mga senator judges, and we should expect this from them, is to shut their mouths, no? And just observe and listen. Listen to the presentation of the evidence, listen to the testimony, unless of course, meron silang clarification. Ibig sabihin, meron silang hindi narinig o meron silang hindi naintindihan, right? Pag nagtatanong sila, in a way na naghahanap sila ng ebidensya, that's already a red flag, no? That should be raising the alarms in our heads, no? Kasi